Hello everyone. In this video, we will be discussing a cantilever beam with a point load problem. So what is the aim of the experiment is determine the maximum bending stress, deflection and reaction for the beam. Calculate the deflection along with bending stress and shear force diagram. And they asked us to compare the theoretical results with the analytical solution. We will see how to solve this problem by using ANSYS. So we'll have a look on the given sketch. So a cantilever beam is given of length 100 mm where a load of 100 Newton, a point load which is acting at the end of the cantilever beam on the right hand side. The cross section of the cantilever beam is circle of diameter 15 mm and left side it is fixed in all DOF. We will see how to solve this problem by using ANSYS. First, select the individual discipline as structural for beams, give OK, then go to preprocessor, element type, add, edit, delete, add, select the element type as the beam, give OK. Here we need not to select the reference numbers for the all beam elements, give OK, then close it. Then go to real constant, add, edit, delete, add, give OK. Enter the area, moment of inertia and height. So before doing this problem in ANSYS, I suggest everyone to do the calculations of moment of inertia and cross section area. Since the area of cross section, the cross section given as circle, the formula to find out the area is pi by 4 d square. So the answer I am getting it as 176.671. Moment of inertia for the circular cross section, it is 2488.05 mm power 4. I am keeping all the data in meters and millimeters and Newton. Height of the beam is 15 mm. Give OK. Then close this. Go to the material properties, material models, structural, linear, elastic, isotropic. Young's modulus value given as 210 gigapascal. So 210 into 10 power 3. So I will be going with e power 3. Poisson's ratio it is 0.3. Give OK. Now close this. Go to the modeling. So I will be creating nodes. The same problem can be solved even by creating key points also. This problem I will be showing if I am creating nodes means how I am getting results. So first let me create nodes in active coordinate system. I will be taking the node 1 as a reference. So x and y, the coordinates is 0. Then node 2, 100 mm is the length of the cantilever beam. Give OK. Now go to the elements, auto numbers through nodes, pick node 1 and node 2, give OK. Now we need to apply the boundary conditions. For that go to the loads, define loads, apply, structural, displacement on nodes. Pick node 1, apply, select all degrees of freedom, give OK. Now for apply the force, go to force moment, select on nodes, pick node 2, apply, select Fy direction and the load given is 100 Newton. Since it is acting downward, I will be using negative sign. Give OK. Now go to the solution, solve, current load step, give OK. So solution is done. So how to view the results? So go to general post processor, plot results. First we'll check the overall deformation. For that select deformation and plus undeformed in the deformed shape, give OK. So this is the overall deformation. Now how to check the shear force, bending moment and bending stress? We need to define the codes for that. So where to define the codes? Go to the element table, define table, add. The codes are by sequence number SMISC2, apply, by sequence number SMISC6, apply, SMISC8, apply, SMISC 12, apply. The next code is NMISC 1 and NMISC 3. So what all the codes I have defined here is SMISC 2, 6, 8, 12 and NMISC 1 and 3. Close this. How to view the results? So go to plot results, select contour plot, line element results. To check the shear force, select at node I SMIC 2 code and node J SMIC 8 code. Give OK. You can able to see the shear force value with the diagram. So shear force diagram, and this is the shear force value. Now bending moment, it is SMIC 6 and SMIC 12 at node I and node J respectively. Give OK. You can able to see the magnitude of the bending moment, and even the bending moment diagram also we can able to see. Now for checking the bending stress at node I, select NMISC 1 and at node J select NMISC 3, give OK. So you can able to see the magnitude of the bending stress. Even though the bending stress diagram is not asked, here you can able to see the diagram also. So with this the problem completes. Thank you.